Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 31. In this video, I will be getting a race car started. This is a 1996 BMW M3 Lightweight with a crank no start condition. The first thing I'm going to do is check for spark. This car uses coilover plugs, so each spark plug has its own ignition coil. I don't know if that showed up on camera, but there is a spark, and we know that the ignition coil is working and the computer is commanding the coil to work. I do the same thing for the other 5 coils, but I don't have that on camera since it's exactly the same as this one. So here I've got my power probe hooked up and I'm back probing the fuel injectors and checking to see if we're getting a signal from the computer. It is driving the injectors. So now let's go further in. So we have spark, we have fuel pressure, and injector control. I pulled the fuel rail out and I'm going to control it with a pulser and we can see it spraying. And off camera I'm going to do that for the other injectors. Alright, at this point I have fuel, I have spark, compression sounds good. They're 12mm plugs, my compression gauge won't fit. So now I'm taking my continuity meter across the spark plugs. When I hook this particular spark plug up to my meter, I'm getting about 26 kiloohms. There shouldn't be any resistance across these spark plugs. That should be wide open circuit. And this one wasn't even the worst one. 3 of them had some resistance, probably caused by carbon tracking. I have one here that's even worse. 4K. That's pretty bad. I think this car needs a set of plugs. New set of plugs are installed, everything's put back together, and the car did start. Before I show the car starting, let's do a quick walk around of this car. Here's the interior. Definitely a race car. I'll put a link in the description to the 1999 Toronto Motorola Cup race. Alright, let's hear this thing start. Pit stop from its racing days. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.